Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the world. My peace and blessing be upon our Prophet Muhammad, his family and his company. The Honorable to our leader, Abi Zakaria, as the founder of this Islamic school, Ihdal Ulum Al-Aziziyah. Honorable to juries, honorable to all of the teachers, honorable to all beloved brothers and sisters. First of all, thank you for having me here. It is fine and joyful. I hope we are all in the good health. Tonight, I will convey in the importance of education in my short speech. On many occasions, we hear the term education. But what is education? How important is education to our country and ourselves as students? Well, to answer the first question, education refers to a process by which a person develops their skills, attitudes, and values. Education, many times we associate this term with the school. However, we must also take into account that education, this institution. That is why we can say that man can get to improve each other. There is a phrase that I like it very much and I find it very true. It shows that they love their nation. It is decided in order for a country to prosper in its education. The honorable audience we study is not go to the graduation ceremony and hang our picture on the wall of our hall. We study to acquire knowledge. It is decided the future of our country is in the hands of the children, and as the children in this country, we must try hard to achieve that. That is why tonight I invite all the audience here to reflect on the importance of education. Finally, ask ourselves, without effort and education, how do we want to improve ourselves? How do we want to live better? In short, how do we want to better country? Education is an important part of our life. Finally, so this is the end of my short speech tonight. I hope some of the points that I had conveyed tonight make it more appreciate of our chance to be able and make it study more diligently for our country and our own future. Thank you for attention tonight. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.